Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2020 Chevrolet Equinox. This vehicle is a demo here. We have gray metallic paint, alloy rims, rear privacy tint, as well as backup camera, power liftgate, heated seats, and cruise control. Now on to the interior. We can see our chrome door handle, window and mirror controls, as well as our power liftgate controls, speaker and storage. To the side of the steering wheel, we have our lighting controls, our gauge cluster with screen, steering wheel controls for cruise control, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Front seats are featuring gray fabric, as well as black fabric with copper stitching. We have a padded center console lid, gear selection stalk and 2 cup holders, dual zone climate controls, heated seats, and then our infotainment screen with backup camera. Now back on the exterior, we can take a closer look at our alloy rims with Chevrolet badge center caps. We have paint match mirror caps and door handles, rear privacy tint, and black metallic fin antenna up top. Around the back, we can see we have Equinox all-wheel drive and LT badging. Underneath of the Chevrolet bow tie, we have the rubber pad to activate our power liftgate. Inside, we'll see plenty of storage room, as well as the handles off to the right to fold down the rear seats. Now on the rear interior, we can see our chrome door handle, window switch, as well as our speaker and storage. Back of the front seats, we have magazine holders, and back of the center console area, we have vents and charging outlets. The rear seats are a 60-40 split with fold-down center seat featuring 2 cup holders inside. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2020 Chevrolet Equinox. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos. And we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.